You know, the onion family provides a wonderful selection of vegetables for our cool season vegetable gardens. Onions, shallots, garlic, chives are really great additions. They're easy to grow and they're quite productive. I thought I'd talk to you today a little bit about shallots because we grow them two different ways. We grow French shallots for their bulbs. We plant them in the fall of the year, around about October or November, and they're not harvested until late May, early June, once the plants have formed their nice sized bulbs. These are chopped up and used very much like onions in cooking. Now, when you buy your shallots, you're going to see here that the grower has planted a number of seeds in each cell pack. When you get home, take these out, separate them and plant them individually. They will not make bulbs for you unless you space them about 6 inches to 8 inches apart. So keep in mind, these are not meant to be grown this way. They're meant to be divided up and planted out when you get them home. On the other hand, bunching shallots, or here we see multiplying shallots, these are grown in a bunch. These were planted from small sets. You can notice they're beginning to divide up into several plants. These we plant as is, and they make a clump of foliage during the winter. We harvest them by either cutting the foliage off and using that in cooking, or digging up the clump, taking off half of it, put the other half down, and take the other half inside to cook with. Bunching shallots then can be harvested all through the winter season. So remember, when you're growing shallots, decide what kinds you want to grow and go for the right types for your garden. Forget it growing. I'm Dan Gill with the LSU AgCenter.